Yeah, that's right. Okay, the wife said she needed a new chair to read books, I guess, outside. Yeah, it's like she doesn't have enough chairs. So, there isn't many you can find at big box stores right now because of the pandemic. So I had to get this one from Wayfair. It's the first time I ordered from Wayfair. Seems like a really good chair. It's not cheap though, I tell you. It was a little difficult to put together, as you'll see, but I managed. The only problem with Wayfair was the delivery came early. They didn't give me any notification at all. We just came home and there it was sitting on the step. Thank God no one stole it. It's a nice day here in April, a little cool. This chair's a glide, rocker, swivel. Whoa, that was scary. Not bad though. Pretty comfortable. Seems good. Oh, yeah. Here we go again. Yeah, got the knife. Whoops. Hope that doesn't void the warranty. It says right here, do not use a knife. Oh well. Try peeling this tape off without a knife. Good luck with that. There we go. Okay, I did it without a knife. Not packed very well. Everything's touching. It's okay. Cushions aren't as thick as I thought they're going to be. That one's a little stiffer. That one's better. Looks okay. It's complicated. Good luck. That looks good. Parts are numbered. Here's the base. Instructions. First thing you should do is separate all the nuts and bolts so they're more organized. And these are the tools I'm going to be using. They give you these crappy tools, but you can still do it with that. It's not easily or as quickly. Okay, I gotta get this done because I got TV to watch. Formula One racing, well, qualifying is on, not racing. Just gonna, whoops, see what I can do here. Oh, so much packing. This here is the rocker part. It's kind of a swivel. A glider. It's a glider. Now I got this. Where's my knife? I don't have time for this. This is a swivel. Oh boy. Look at that. I don't need this now. Actually, let's get rid of that. That goes like that. They have little rubber caps on here. Cool. I can set it on that table. They go right in there. Just like that. Oh boy. Stay. It says you just use 2 C screws. It says don't tighten them yet. These are C's are the shorter ones. I'm going to start in my hand so I don't strip anything. It's got to be somewhat tight. Yeah, just started by hand. That one's going to be a struggle. And then there's 2 down here you have to line up. These are the long ones. 2 ways way down in here. Yeah, this isn't the easiest thing to put together, let me tell you. These are 2 short ones again. Okay, they say that you can tighten them all up after you got all this part done. You can tighten all these bolts. I'd recommend just doing a little bit at a time on each one. Tighten this one and tighten the other one beside it. And after I've done this thing all together, I'm going to probably go over it again and tighten everything back up. I tightened these ones already. These ones I didn't tighten. Seems like a good quality chair. Should be for the price. Okay, those are all tight. I can put this piece in. This one takes the long ones, a washer, and a nut. Yeah, I have the torque set down again. So. Resting it. That's the glider mechanism. Come on, here we go. I got a little wrench because I didn't like bigger cups. That's tight. Manual. Yes, I'm reading the manual. Look at that. Put this piece on. Turn it so you get it. Turn that so you get it. Then you put the washer in that. Yeah, we didn't have the rubber tools, so it would take a lot of use. Just to make sure. These are all metric fasteners. They're M6 bolts. For the nut, you need a 10 millimeter. And for the socket is a 5 millimeter. Yeah, looks like I'm done. Let's flip it over. Okay, that's comfy. I like it. Okay, it's done. Kind of liking it. Not bad at all. So, I guess, should I go in and watch TV or cut the grass? I think I'll go watch TV. Formula One's on. See ya. Yes!